by showing that because Puss is an anti-hero and he has normal... Why did you laugh? Because I said Puss. Is that not his name? Is that not his name?
I'm pretty sure it's his name.
Spaghetti.
I'm telling them about how it's tricky.
Yeah, I know.
We're both telling them how it's tricky. Whoa, that's really intimidating.
That's one bullet point. You can do it.
Chemical reactions strategy video.
Chemical reactivity.
Yeah, so...
Wait. So are you going to do the
you can
last bullet point or
introduce.
not? Yeah,
I'll do tricky.
Yeah.
And then, no, the last bullet point is a waste of time. And then you can be like, there's 2 main ideas. We'll run you through some tips. Welcome to our music video.
This video, you're on your way to success. Why do you always do that?
This is my signature move.
Okay.
Do you have a better signature move for me to adopt?
Nothing.
I'm not going to do that.
I start. That's what I was waiting for is me.
Great, okay.
I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Hattie. And I'm meant to be talking.
Okay.
What's a date?
It's a fruit?
I get a lot of my DMs and I'm like, why are you offering me dates? I don't...
We're gonna make scones.
Yeah.
I love date scones. Very good time. Okay, Siren, you're not allowed to be a part of this conversation anymore. And their phenotypes. Sorry. So let's see how we can get into it.
I got a food baby, I don't know.
There's just a lot of different content.
Ooh.
Content.
Sausage from... Okay.
Start working for what? Come on.
Are you gonna let us start working?
No.
We're gonna talk about processes first. I hate us. I hate that we did that. The rest of the video, I've got this like black eye. So bear this in mind as well.
Keep going. Just start from the sentence you're about to start.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you cut off my legs
I
for
can.
me? Thank you.
I have watched all of House, so I'm pretty sure I'm trained to perform an
I'm basically a
amputation.
GP. Kia ora guys, welcome to StudyTime's Level 2 Strategy
Did you call it study twos?
What did I just say?
You said study twos. Information you've learned previously. Cool. That's all that is. And you're anti-differentiate. Ooh, what happened to that word?
And welcome to the Level 2 Mechanics Exam Strategy video. I'll do it again.
This is level 3 calc differentiation. How do you pronounce that?
Differentiation.
Differentiation?
Yeah.
And find out what the maximum volume would be. No, I'm gonna have to redo that because that wasn't true.
Can I start with a hey guys? I know it's like generic, but it's so easy. Kia ora guys, welcome back to more tips with the Yeah, no, I know. Are we in an alright spot?
I finished my coffee, it's hitting.
We're gonna give you our best tips in getting through yeah. Okay, I just have to like muster up some like enthusiasm. Hold on for a second. Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, no.
That's way too much enthusiasm for me, okay.
You're going to be asked to state any assumptions, the key one of which is almost always going to be that your events are independent of each other.
Kia ora guys, I'm Mackenzie.
Oh, I didn't know I was introducing myself.
That's what I said. I'm going to say my name and then you're going to say that.
Okay.
So you're going to state, I assumed that A and B were independent of each other, so this is the way that I could calculate these probabilities.
StudyTime's Level 2 Organic Chemistry Strategy video.
Also, you're going to have to know how to use conditional probability, and there is a formula that I'm not going to state. You're going to just put it on the screen. I can't be bothered with it.
So the integration involves using different techniques.
No. You know, I'm going to erase the words different techniques.
Please do.
As you clearly can't be trusted with it. If it's on there, you will read it.
Yeah.
You're doing different types of functions.
You'll be given this in the exam, but it's important that you are actually knowledgeable in the way that you use it. So you need to know how to use it. Recognize it. So you have to use it for a conditional probability question.
No, it's fine. And all the other scripts are like, if you take on the tips of this video.
Oh, do we
You know
have
what,
to
I'm
do
sick
that?
of saying that, so I don't really want to.
Or running a stimulation.
A stimulation?
Is that not it?
A simulation.
It's all good, but yeah, you run a simulation, not a stimulation.
One of those will get you a police charge. What a way to show me up. All right.
I don't know very much I feel so confident I know more than you.
Oh, 100. That eraser over there knows more about it than I.
Nice try, didn't work.
Did I say it right? Markotnikov and Startsev. Sightsev. Damn. Okay. Sev.
Yeah, close enough. It's fine.
Markotnikov.
Everyone will know what you're talking about. Everyone will know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Oh,
You can do it!
Markotnikov and Startsev. Markotnikov and Startsev. Sightsev. So like sight, like you're citing your sources.
Yes,
Sightsev. Markotnikov and Sightsev. At least 3 to 4 exam papers and the checklist.
At the end, say something like,
That was so good, team. Okay, let's talk about cinematography.
Kind of questions are not confined to it. It's a very like physical tick. Like,
Hey guys, it's me, Miranda.
Yeah, I'm a corporate shill. What do you want?
And this is our level 2. Which one are we doing?
atomic structure and bonding.
Atomic structure and bonding. Cool.
Damn it. I forgot my name.
Are you recording that? Check that in there, please.